everybody, in today's video I am doing a collab with some of my most favorite essential oil family members. I will link everybody that's participating in this collab in the description bar below, so be sure to check out all of their channels. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I am in Florida right now and there's an ocean right behind you. I'll turn you guys around so you guys can see, but hopefully you can hear me okay and it's not being washed out. You hear that? Coast Guard. Flying over the beach. Do what you gotta do. So in today's collab, we are talking about our top 3 like desert island essential oils. If there were only 3 essential oils that we could use for the rest of our lives, it's our top 3 favorites. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now for me, I had a hard time because I am somebody who uses multiple essential oils every single day, and so finding just 3 was really difficult for me, and I know it's gonna be difficult for everybody in this collab too. So the first essential oil is actually called Copaiba, and there is a Copaiba Vitality version as well. So we've got the topical aromatic version and the internal version. They're the exact same oil that's inside the bottle. If we turn them this way, there's no difference. They're all the same. It's just that this Vitality version is the internal approved version, where you can take it in a veggie capsule or in water, or just mix it in with something, honey or whatever, if you wanted to take it internally, or if you wanted to use it topically / aromatically. So Copaiba is coming from the Copaiba tree in Brazil, and basically it is super high in a constituent called beta-carotene or beta-carotene. Do a Google search, just spell it out, beta-carotene. There's a couple of L's and Y's, P-H-E-L-E-N-E or whatever. There's a plant out there that is legal in some states, not in all of them, that is also high-ish in this constituent, beta-carotene, but not as high in beta-carotene as Copaiba. So if you are somebody who's like me, who has any kind of occasional anxiety issues, maybe difficulty relaxing, if you have to get up and do public speaking or something that makes you really nervous, Copaiba can be really beneficial for helping to calm your nerves. So what I like to do with Copaiba is the topical version. I will just put it on me anywhere I can get it. It's very gentle for skin. You don't have to dilute it first. You put it on the bottom of your feet, put it on your wrists, wherever. It's not an offensive smell. It smells like kind of like vanilla and dirt. It's really just earthy and wonderful. With the internal version, this is really good for supporting normal levels of inflammation in your body too. So with the internal version, you can take a drop on some local raw honey, swallow that down, put some in some water and just drink that down. You could even put some in a veggie capsule and swallow that if you want to internally support yourself with Copaiba. So in either case though, it's very, very grounding and very good for just helping you in those moments where you might have any, occasional nervousness or anxiety pop up. My next one I talk about quite often is Thieves or Thieves Vitality, either one. So we've got the topical aromatic version of Thieves, we've got the internal version of Thieves. So Thieves is a blend which has different essential oils in it. It has clove, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, and lemon in there. And the reason Thieves is called Thieves is because it goes back to the time of the plague in Europe, 1400s, 1500s, somewhere in there. And there were these guys that were going around robbing the dead and the dying people, but they themselves were not contracting this plague that was running rampant through Europe. They were thieves, right? Whatever. So these guys were caught. They were taken to the king, and the king offered to grant them leniency if they would disclose how they were not contracting the plague. They were going around, basically robbing people who had this plague, and they were like, we need your knowledge. So basically what it turns out, these thieves were spice merchants, and they were rubbing the insides of plague masks, those like scary beak mask things, with clove and cinnamon, eucalyptus, yada yada yada, the oils that are in the Thieves blend. So this is amazing for all things immune system. So when I'm teaching my music students, I have Thieves going in my diffuser. Because of the cinnamon and the clove, it just smells so good. It smells like Christmas or like fall time. It smells amazing. But it is so good for our immune systems. They just think my house smells great. little do they know that I am really just supporting all of the people in the room, especially myself. So I'm like hugging my diffuser when they come in. Anyway, you can take the internal version too. Again, raw honey is great to internally support your immune system. Really good. If you are Canadian, Thieves is approved as a natural health product by Health Canada to improve symptoms of cough and cold. So for my Canadians, that's something that's interesting to know. It's a great one to have in your wellness cabinet, and we always need to support our immune system regardless of the time of year. Myself especially, who teaches small music students, that blow on me all day. The next one, Digest or Digest Vitality. There's two different versions, topical aromatic / internal. So Digest has gotten me out of many a pickle when it comes to all things digestive system. So Digest is a blend, just like Thieves kind of is. It has ginger and fennel, tarragon, lots of different anise patchouli essential oils in there that are great for helping to support healthy digestion. So if you are somebody, or if you have kids who need digestive support in any capacity, Digest or Digest Vitality can help in that regard. So with regular topical aromatic Digest, after I eat a meal, I like to put Digest on my belly. The peppermint that's in there is very cooling. There's menthol constituent in there, which is great for digestion and just feeling good on the skin. The ginger that's in there has more of a warming feel, so that's really nice as well. And it's just good for helping to soothe your digestive tract. It's good to use if you are traveling and somebody that maybe has a digestive system that slows down when you travel. Digest can help regulate your system, or it actually works on the other end of the spectrum as well because of the peppermint that's in there. It can help soothe your digestive tract too. It basically puts it back into an equilibrium balance. So it's great to have on hand at all times. There was one night not too long ago where I needed to use Digest on my belly every couple of hours, and I can tell you that I had a much happier night experience with Digest than if I would not have had Digest. Draw the conclusions as you will. Whatever. If you want to use Digest internally, you can absolutely do that. You can take it in a veggie capsule, or just take some in some water as like a shot and just swallow it after you eat a meal, or anytime you need to soothe your digestive system or help your food digest. Really good for that. And even if you are somebody that goes to maybe Disney World and you're maybe a little motion sensitive, Digest can be really beneficial for us motion sensitive folks. Just smelling it from the bottle or putting a drop behind each ear on your head, like behind your earlobe, on kind of where your jaw and like your neck meet, that kind of soft part there before you go on rides that might make you a little uneasy. Digest, really good travel companion and just a must for your wellness cabinet. If you guys are interested in learning more about essential oils, I do have a class coming up on Facebook very, very soon. It's coming up next week. I will leave the link to that class in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy oiling, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao!